All right. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone again, and welcome back to the UK live after a small break, actually. And we are back on track to our live sessions. We missed the Nifty live session today. I'm extremely apologetic for that. From tomorrow, all four sessions shall be aired on time. All right. As far as the trade setups are concerned, a quick update was sent on the Telegram. If you have noted that, we got tipped off gold, but we again entered short around 77, 78 levels. All right. So once again, a warm welcome to all the new members joining into our family, and uh, thank you again for the great support and spreading the word. It sometimes spreads like fire when you have mouth-to-mouth publicity. All right, let's get started. On this session, we would like to discuss Bitcoin, followed by Euro, Pound, Dollar Index, Gold, and Silver. All right, we'll be taking for about 10 minutes or so. Quickly, we have we have accumulated around 3,500 points in Bitcoin till now, eradicating all the previous losses, and we'll be calculating points in Bitcoin as we do in the currency and metal sector again. Alright, so let's have a slightly larger picture. It seems to be that the cryptocurrency has formed the first corrective leg, which can be termed as A. We'll be doing it later on when we touch upon individually, and what it's doing right now is just a pullback rally on its way. Please remember, I don't think bulls should be getting any kind of, or should be excited about this pullback rally, because it's just a pullback rally. I think after the impulsive drop last week took many of traders by surprise, it seems. As I said, it's the first leg, and if that wave count is correct, that is A, B, and then we should be seeing prices dropping lower from here. All right. At least if it is a flat, it would go all the way towards 17,500 and then drop lower towards 10,000 levels again. All in all, trading point of view, watch out for this rally to either terminate around the current levels, or maybe extend towards the 16,300 levels. Look to go short on rallies around the 16,000 levels with a stop of 20,000 and targeting around the 10,000 and lower. All right, it's I think it is just beginning to cut loose on the south side. It's not yet done, and I repeat, it's got a long way to go on the south side. Watch out for the individual Bitcoin video, which I'll post after a while. All right, looking to sell on rallies, Bitcoin. Let's begin the euros and pounds and the dollar index now. It's going to take some time for the volumes to start ticking in. It's not going to happen anytime soon right now. But looking at the daily chart or the bigger picture, uh, please don't be surprised if you're going to witness at least an A, B, and C corrective drop. We are not hinting for the second possibility of a 5 waves impulse lower, which could go all the way again towards the parity levels. That's too early to define right now, but at least we are concerned about a possibility of an A, B, C corrective drop, which could bring prices towards the 1.12 levels at least. right? So on the shorter side, we are holding shorts in euro around the 1860 mark, and what it has done till now is wave 1, wave 2, 1 of 3. We are still anticipating the third wave to begin pushing lower. The channel is also set corrective for the corrective rally to have terminated. There you are. And don't be surprised if there might be one small spike on the 1900 circuit or handle, just to follow through on the downside. Till the time prices remain below 1960, kindly look to sell on rallies, brothers and sisters. Right, holding shorts for now with a stop above 1960, targeting below 1550 and lower. All right, let's touch base with pound again. This is not an unusual sight as at all with GBP USD and the triangle. See, if we look at the triangle structure, let's say this is wave 1 and the triangle begins from here, that is A. We need to get rid of okay, A, B, C, D, and wave E itself is most probably unfolding as a triangle, that is A, B, C, D and E. Remember, wave E within the triangle can also unfold as a triangle, which might be the case here. Alright, that's the wave count and the wave structure. We are expecting this triangle structure to terminate very soon. Ideally, if that is the case, then prices would remain below the 3420 mark. Broadly, it should remain below the 3550 mark. So, trading point of view, you're encouraged to take some positional trades and not intraday. I mean, there might be some noises and spikes coming around through that resistance 3420, and you don't want to get stopped out there. You might want to place your stop loss above the resistance around 3550 and look for lower levels around 3200, 1.3 and below. As far as the bigger picture is concerned, selling on rallies looks to be very much on cards with an ABC corrective rally, and look at the sideways action all over the place here, and that is expected right now. When you cannot expect firecrackers when there's no volumes. They're tripping volumes. I think it's not before the 2nd of January that they will come back. All right, okay, let's touch base with gold and silver and then dollar index. Now I would like to spend a few moments here on the gold chart. We got tipped out, but we are very confident still about the overall structure, which is on the bearish side still. Maybe we missed a wave count, but that is fine, it happens. That is the trend line resistance which I wanted to highlight. It's being tested right now, and as far as the wave counts are concerned, let's do it once again. We've got wave A, and then we've got 333 wave B are running flat. Now we were anticipating waves 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Now that is not wave 4 by any means, so I will have to recount from here. Maybe that could be first wave of a lower degree, which is being retraced by a wave 2 of the same degree to follow through with wave 3, 4 and 5 lower below 1235 towards 1200 mark. Alright, and as far as the trend line resistance is concerned, it's being tested. We have just entered shorts again and placed our stop loss above 1289 or 1290. So trading point of view, you should be remaining, even if you got stopped out, you should still remain on the sell side. You may want to enter again if you're an aggressive kind of a trader, or just wait for a bearish signal. Remember, we discussed the first session yesterday about the chart patterns. It could form an evening star, or maybe at least a top. I don't think there's any chance for an engulfing bearish unless and until in the next 20 minutes it drops all the way towards 1272, which looks unlikely though. An evening star is a good possibility though. I think we will come to know by the time we are back in the New York session about this evening star being produced or not. All right. All in all, resistance remains or should remain strong around the 1290 and the 1300 handle. All kind of convergences are also coming with Fibonacci ratios, trend lines, past support becoming future resistance, etc. We will be discussing those topics in our upcoming educational series. All right. So gold short on rallies. Silver remains spot on target. It has just rallied about 20-25 cents, but that still is looking very good on the south side. We still don't need to change the wave count. It is wave 1, 2, 3 and wave 4 as an ABC corrective rally, and should be followed through well below 1550 towards 1500 level. So hold on to your shorts here as well. And last but not the least, dollar index. It is looking good till the time prices stay above 92.50 for sure. All right, that is the bottom line for bulls, or the line in sand for the bulls. So we've got wave 1, 2 and 1 of 3, flat wave 2 of 3 in the making. It is almost done. Should be moving on the north side after here. All right, so trading point of view, stay long, remain long with a positional trade setup here. The stop below 92.50, targeting 95 and 98. All right, so for all the updates or the trade updates, if you have not yet signed up on our Telegram channel at t.me/Japee, you should be looking to do that. https t.me at Japee, and if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, you should be looking to do that as well. And also, the only thing that I ask of you is help spread the word. I mean, even if you are spreading the word to about 10-11 persons that you think they will be benefited out of that educational sessions and the live trading sessions, please do that. It's not going to harm you at all. If you're liking it, help us spread this channel across the globe. That's the mission that we're starting with. This is going to be absolutely free for life till the time I'm able to work. All right, once again, I thank you for all your support, and thank you if you are joining in live right now or might be watching the recorded versions. And till the next session, which is at 8 AM Eastern New York time, New York live. Good luck to your trades again, brothers and sisters. Have patience. We are still 4 or 5 days away before full-fledged liquidity and volatility comes back. But the trade setups are coming up nicely, and on or before the December 31st, that's a Sunday, but I'll try on 29th. Between 29th and 31st, I'll be sending across all the potential chart setups on the Telegram channel, also small videos as to what we are set up for the 2018, right, as far as the trends are concerned. Once again, thank you for watching, and thank you for being live or on the offside version. Until the next session, please take care and God bless, brothers and sisters. Goodbye.